Hello guys, this is Michael from Making Systems. Welcome to Creating a Website No Coding Involved episode 3. In our previous video, we looked at adding blocks to pages. So we added blocks to our home page and then we designed a footer here. Now in this video, we are going to add blocks to our contact page and then create some contact form, add some social media icons to our contact page. So let's get right into it. So to begin with, hover on the top left corner, click pages, and then navigate to the contact page and make sure you're on the contact page. Now as you can see, the menu I have here on the home page uses a transparent icon. So menu is usually universal on every website. So if I navigate on the contact page, if I navigate to the contact page, I beg your pardon, you realize that the menu here is transparent, right? And in so doing, we cannot see our menu items here. So we can quickly fix that by clicking on the setting or the block parameter icon and then changing from transparent. So you just toggle, you turn off transparency and then you can see our menu. So again, we can add blocks to our page by clicking on this icon. So let's add some header, right? And having added a header, let's go to the contact tab and then add some contact to our page. So I think this is okay. We can drag and drop to our page. Let's find some form. So click forms, and we can simply click this to add a form. Now let's add a social media. Where are you? Okay, social. Alright, so we have some pre-designed social media widgets here. So I'm going to go with this. So you just click to insert, and now that we are okay with what we have added, we can add a footer. Now there is one problem here. Now as you can see, we've already designed our footer in the previous video. So adding a footer means that we have to redesign, re-edit everything again, but we are not going to do that. We can import the previously used footer, we can save the previously used footer and then use it for all our pages. So to do that, let's go to our previous page, our home page. Alright, so you navigate to our home page. So as you can see, we have our, let me go to the bottom, we have our design footer here. It has already been designed. So all we have to do is to click on this button, save to user blocks, to save the footer. So here we can give it a name, my footer, and then click OK. So now that we have saved our block, let's go back to our contact page and then use the saved block. So click this icon. Now as you can see, we are on the user blocks here. If you don't find the user blocks, it will be at the right sidebar here, at the bottom of the sidebar. So click user blocks and we can click to insert. So we don't need to redesign our footer again. So there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit the information we have here. So here we have our contact. You can add your address here by simply clicking on the text. Then you can add your address. So let me go ahead and add some address. You can also add your phone, just like we did the last time, and your email as well. I think this is pretty simple, so let's go ahead to the contact form. Now here we can, as you can see, if you click on any of the any of the spaces here, any of the fields here. You can decide which field to turn on or off. So here I have the name, the email, the phone. I don't think I'm going to need the phone, so I'm going to turn that one off. And then the notification email or action URL. Now when someone sends a message, the email address to receive the form, so you enter your email address there, right? Okay. And then a success message. Now after a user fills or completes a form and then sends it, the success message you want the person to get after filling the form, so you can also enter it here. Now once you're okay with that, you click save. So that is also pretty simple. So let's see if we can change some settings in the blog parameters. So here we can set our margins, our paddings here. You can decide to show the title or turn it off. Also, we can change the background color for the contact form. So to do that, click on this color here. So you can change the color to suit your preference. Alright. You can also click more to have access to the color palette here, so that you can also make changes. If you also have a color code, you can insert it right here, and I think that is pretty simple. So let's go ahead and look at our social media icons. So I want to change this one to follow us. So let's go ahead and change some settings here. So you can decide which social media platform to show here. So you can turn off or turn on the social media icons like so. Alright. Okay. So we have added a contact form and we are done with setting up our contact page. So let's try the mobile view. So as you can see, something needs to be fixed here, so we can click here and then press enter to enable some space here to make our website more readable. Alright. Okay, so that is that. So you can go ahead and then add a few blocks per your liking and then edit some. So that will be all for now. I'll see you again in the next one.